Hi everyone, it's Jen and this is an ASC auction house video. This is a 4x8 mini album with a 2-inch spine that I made for with my scraps from the sugar cookie collection from Prima. So I'll just go through it real quick, and this mini album will be auctioned for the Great Pyrenees Paws and Rescue. 100% of the auction minus shipping will go directly to the Great Pyrenees Paws and Rescue. It's a Facebook group, but also has a website. I will link everything below, including the auction house Facebook group and the Great Pyrenees Facebook group, so you guys can see where your money goes. I also post in the auction group when I donate the money, which is usually when I get about $100 to donate, so that you guys can see where your donations are going. And this album itself, I think it has 6 original pages. Some of them are quilted. I used almost every bit of the paper. You can see like this has a quilted page. It has lots of flaps and pockets. I used some pink paper to supplement, and it's just a good little album for maybe a December daily, or a just a little pink Christmas for you. So I hope you like this, and please head on over to the auction group and subscribe so you don't miss any of the auctions. There's some really nice projects and mini albums for very inexpensive for the, what they're usually. So head on over there and find my post. This one's going to start at $20, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.